my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I thought I'd show you some new releases in my shop, plus a little bit of a haul. I haven't done a lot of shopping, but I have gotten a few kits that I'm very excited about. I think first what I'll do is I will show you what's available in my shop, either coming this week or is available as of right now. So first one we have is, as you can see, I've got some new stickers. I have Traveler's Notebook stickers, and we've got a multicolor. Oh my goodness, we've got a multicolor and pastel, and then we've also got Penny, and she's doing a little bit of baking, and I bake like a fiend during the holidays, and you might have seen me use this already. Actually, I probably did. Actually, I know I did. I don't know why I'm saying that. And then we've got pizza time Penny, because it's always time for pizza, of course. And we've got the grocery shop Penny. And of course, for New Year's resolutions, we've got Time to Sweat Penny. And my plan is to use this quite often, at least twice a week minimum, starting from now, because I haven't exercised in a couple months and I can feel it. And then next we have is the Time to Work Penny. She's just at her little Mac and she's just doing her job there. Go for you, girl. And we've got the Focus on Reading, but this is so cute. This could easily be used as, like, if you were a teacher or you know, if you're studying. And then of course we've got oops, let's just go. We've got Penny the Planner Penguin. She's actually planning now, which is fantastic. This was the first die cut I'd ever given away as a freebie, and now she finally is in stickers. And then speaking of studying, we also have this one here. As you can see, it's Study Time Penny. And she is studying. You can see right there. She's got her number mathematics going on down there. But if you wanted, what you could easily do is just cut that part off, and you can have her like designing or something. Super cute, right? And okay, so that's what's available in my shop for now. I do have a few more things coming. But that will be another video because I just don't have it with me at the moment. So let me show you a little bit of things that I have purchased. I've purchased some printables, and what I've done actually is I've already prepared them because I don't know, I was just excited for them, and it'll make my time easier in the future. So this is Midnight Glam, and I just love these boxes here. They're so cute, so pretty. I love the colors, and just look at that deco. That's beautiful. And this is the kit I plan on using for this week. If you haven't seen that video, or rather the video will be coming up next week. So that's that there. I'll just flip through what I've printed off so far. Love that washi. All right, so that is the full boxes there, and that is called Midnight Glam. And another, that was from Paper and Gumption. And the other Paper and Gumption kit I have, just move that other way, is this one here. So again, another printable, but I love it so much I printed it off already. And look how pretty that is. Oh, this kitty. Oh my god. The first time I saw this kit a couple months ago, if you saw them come out, I was just like, yes, I need to find one with this cat. Look at, oh, gorgeous. Love it, love it. And so I just printed off a few of them like I normally do. I love the way she's done this washi. The date covers are just gorgeous. That's just a few of the full boxes. Oh, the half box, excuse me. Then you got your normal littles and headers, etc. And then look at this deco. These little clips. I just adore them. Oh, love it. Okay, so that was Namaste in Bed. Yo, love that. And then we also have a couple more things that I've purchased. I'll just show this here. This is actually from a D-stash, and I don't normally go for kits and D-stash just because they never have what I want, but I was like, you know what, these are so pretty, I have to get them. And this is from Planner Face. This is, what is it called? All Dressed Up. So this is the full boxes. These are the full boxes, excuse me. Just love this, beautiful. And that's the deco. It's quite big actually, but I think it can make it work. And you got a little bit of check boxes and some habit trackers and weekend banner. And I love these. These are so pretty. And then those are the littles. Heart checklists. And then the washi. And I love that. It's just beautiful. This one here, that's from Strawberry Lime Designs. And this is another one from a buy, sell, trade, destash rather. And that is the glitter unicorn. So cute. I love these colors. And that's the functional and headers. Half boxes and littles. Love the day covers. Some more sidebar here. And then the washi. Alright, so this is from the Crafty Rat design. And let me show you, first of all, her little characters, which she hand draws herself. Oh, and it comes, look at this freebie. Look how cute. Look at that. Oh, time to put the tree away. And then these are her crafty rats. These are all hand drawn by Becca, who is the owner of the Crafty Rat design. And this is, oh, these are so perfect. I feel like this is me. This is just me every single day. Don't need a coffee, but yeah, with coffee, and I'm just like, ugh. That's me. Love these. The colors are so sweet. And I love rats, and so these are so precious to me. And I just adore these little ones here. This is called Celebrate. The last one, hold on, let me pull that one out. Coffee, quite on the nose. And these are Celebrate, and that little party hat balloon, and you know, confetti going away. My shirt is in the shot, my apologies. And then we have the emojis. That's the gray rat. Yawn. Love that. That's how I feel right now. Oh God, made myself started. How rude. Then we have another emoji. And that's the brown rat. And he's crying. And ears. Love these. Rather, happy hard eyes. I don't know what's going through my head. Then we've got the Tiene Ratos. Pulling his tea in there with, look at all of those clips. It's got more than I do. And, all right, that's for that. And then we have the Wheel of the Year. And this is just for anyone who celebrates any Wiccan or pagan years. Love the writing. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got Crafty Rat Designs, the Zodiac Weekly Kit. Is just, oh, so beautiful. And I love this. The colors are everything. And look, she's so, oh, just love it. So it comes with these full boxes. This deco, which is amazing. I just love this. Oh, beautiful. And you got your day covers, some strips, and we've got the bottom washi, some littles, and we got some circle checklists, which is amazing. And you got the habit trackers right here, and then hydrate trackers, and you know how much I love these. Washi here, if you do like a mini kit, if you got ring bound rather, love that. Some icons and some headers right there. And you got your circle checklists and some to-do checklists, your functionals, some bills. And then it also comes with these. And these are the day covers. And they just match it perfectly, don't they? I just love that. You got the whole month with some extras, which will be perfect if I need to put something in randomly. And then it comes with these headers. So these are called the foil headers. And look at that. Oh, I can just hear the crunch. So pretty. Oh my God, love it. And these were actually released on the 1st. And the reason why I have these already, and today is the 2nd, because I've joined her PR team and I'm so excited. So my PR code will be down below in the links and I will put it there. Don't worry. But I needed to show this kit so badly. It's just, I'm in love. I've already mapped out when I'm going to use this, but definitely look for pictures on Instagram. If you don't follow me on there, go on, follow me. And then you'll also see when I've put all my other stickers down, like these, like these little bits, like they're still going with that. And you'll see when I put some of these down and all my other ones, and including any new releases I'm using from our shop, like these bad boys. I'm going to start putting that on there. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry if this was so long or if the lighting's all weird. It's raining right now. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.